Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for August 20, 2020. If you look at the SPY daily charts, you can see that the market is pulled back down, but they still stay above the trend line and then they'll be able to close above my exponential moving average. So technically the market is still in the uptrend. So the bear failed to put the market go lower. So the market will continue to be the buy here and try to find a way to break out and by tomorrow, let's see, we're able to get up and get out of the all-time high level here. So if you can see here on the smaller time frame on a 60-minute jack, the market is pulled back down right into the area that they need to fill up the gap, and then they come right back there. They hold up here, and then they turn around, and then they continue to go higher. If you look at the smaller time frame, if you are a day trader, you can see that yesterday after the Fed come out, the market slammed it down, and then they go right into the buy zone, and then in the morning they come back, they retest, they come back, they retest, they couldn't break to the lower level, so the buyer step back in and push it back up, and then they continue to the upside until they hit to the all-time high again. So if you are a day trader, you can see that the market that overnight they push it back up, and then they come back down, and after they go below the trend line, so in the morning when the market open, they slam it down right into the buy zone to be able to guide our member to take the trade from here up to this level here. So that's the whole time everybody making good money to ride the market at yet 1.2 boy. They run from here 8 straight here, so everybody wrap a good short-term income for the day, and they done for the day. When I get out my trading room, I still have some time left here. So market come down. So this one here, it used to be a resistance. So they break to the resistance, they come back, they retest. Now resistance become the support. I jump in, take another quick trade, and wrap my money for the day. So the net profit is $1,253. So this is one of the methods that we are teaching in our Stock Navigator, that for short-term daily income. And if you stay there, the market will continue to hold up. And right now, at this moment, they still headed up to retest the all-time high. So if you look at the other index, the market, the YM have a trouble in the morning, but they come right back to the support, and they turn around, and we'll be able to pinpoint where they go to turn around here. They push it right back up. The Nasdaq is very strong. They come back right into the support, and then in the morning they come right back here, and then boom, they make a new high. So they are still in the uptrend. So that's why you see a lot of tech stock that try to go higher today. And the Russell 2000 also fall behind, but they are to try to find a way to get back. But they are a little bit choppy. Let's see tomorrow to be able to catch up and go back to this level here. Gold, it be able to hold up at this level. Now they to have a resistance at a Dow trend line here. In order for them to go higher, they have to break to the moving average here. They need to get up and go higher. And oil, they have a little bit trouble early in the morning, but they go right into the support here, and right there we can see that they're going to turn around. So now they try to get back and retest the upper level. So the euro, it still goes sideways, but they try to find momentum to push it higher also. Bond, it have a trouble to get into this area. They try to retest the high here, couldn't go through, so they slam them back down again. So the Bitcoin is it also found a support. So right now they try to build a momentum, try to get up above this trend line here, and then they can find a way to push it back up again. So if you look at a couple of stocks that we follow, the target is to make a new high, and people take some profit, but the trend is still up. FDX, the FedEx is still pretty strong. They come here, they still have a little room to get up there, and the eBay is still doing very well, as you can see. The momentum is still the upside, and SEI. Okay, SEI after they go up, and then now they're in the flag formation here. So after they be able to hold up here, they will break out and find a way to go higher. Okay, so the only thing that right now we see is the oil, the energy, oil stock, and the bank stock, and the bio stock. They still have a trouble to go nowhere. So we have to stay and watch out for those sectors until they turn around. Okay, so this is what I have for you on Thursday, and so the market is still in uptrend. We will stick in uptrend until they change direction. So it doesn't matter what happened outside. A lot of people from the bear camp, they try to push it back down. They think the market go lower. But for us, as a technical trader, okay, we use technical analysis to analyze the chart so we can see where they're heading to. As long as the chart is still bullish, we will stay in uptrend. We'll continue to buy in the dip and push it back up. All right, so that's all I have for you today. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And if you would like to learn more about our strategy, our method for the ATM making money machine every day and the swing trade method, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the weekend market forecast. Take care.